to say that we're making chicken cordon bleu.
Ooh, simple recipe?
Yes.
What do we have here?
Chicken, cheese,
And some ham.
First, we're gonna thin out the chicken breast.
Okay, so let's thin out the chicken breast.
Let's thin it.
Smash, smash, smash.
Smash like a potato.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we're gonna season up the chicken breast.
All right, so let's take the saran wrap out and season it up with some salt.
And some of my favorite black pepper that I use with potato.
Yes, black pepper and garlic.
Garlic.
Yep. Let's put some paprika on.
Paprika.
There you go, and then good job.
Thank you. Once the chicken is done, then we're gonna put the cheese and the special ham.
Yeah.
Down.
Into the chicken.
Yes.
Okay, so let's place the cheese on top of the chicken.
Chicken. And chicken.
And then ham.
Ham, my favorite.
And then cheese again.
Cheese like a sandwich.
Yeah. And then ham on top.
Ham on top of the cheese.
Yes.
Someone bite out of it.
Good job.
There you have it, guys. We're gonna roll it up and have some chicken cordon bleu.
All right, let's roll it up.
Once the chicken is rolled, then we're gonna put the chicken mustard mayo on.
Okay, the mayo mustard sauce on top of the chicken. Oh my gosh.
Now we gotta spread it.
Yes. Looks delicious.
Yummy.
Good job.
Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
gonna be yummy in my tummy.
Yes.
The last thing we're gonna do is put breadcrumbs on top.
Okay, so let's sprinkle the breadcrumbs on top of the chicken.
Gonna be yummy.
Yes, it is. Are you
It's
excited?
gonna be yummy, yeah. I'm so excited. Yummy. There you have it, guys. We're gonna put it in the air fryer.
Ooh, let's air fry some chicken cordon bleu.
Okay, now we're gonna air fry the chicken for 20 minutes.
All right, let's turn it on.
Chicken
All right, and the on button.
on the
There you go.
yummy.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yes. There you have it, guys. Our chicken cordon bleu is done.
Ooh, it looks delicious.
All right, it smells delicious. Now I'm gonna try it now. And it has cheese. Cheese. Mmm.
Is it delicious?
Yum.
Mmm.
Mmm. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe my video.